Hi folks, it is time for science. This is your screencast for Wednesday, April 29th for anatomy. So today you are going to have your knowledge of the cardiovascular system assessed. What we're going to do today is you're going to finish up that circulatory system POGL and submit that, and then also complete the open note quiz. Let's go ahead and jump into Schoology and see what that looks like on the actual platform. So here is our week of April 27th. You should have submitted your last crash course questions in the finished cardiovascular system. And here's where you'll submit your circulatory system POGL. Basically, you should only have the extension questions left to do. And also, just to make sure that you have done everything correctly and you're really understanding, I did include a key for you to actually go through and you can check all of your answers for the questions. It's not intended to be there for you to copy, it's just there for you to check yourself and make sure that this is a really good resource for that open note quiz. Because anything that you've done in this unit, including the notes, the crash course videos, the POGL, are all fair game for you to do the quiz. So when you open up the quiz, you'll see the information thing. It'll open up to the questions for me just because that's what my Schoology does. Yours is a little different. But what you'll see is the instructions. And in the instructions, I reiterate that this is open note, but not open Google. It's supposed to understand your understanding and not necessarily whatever you can, search. There is a circulatory system review, and if you did the review last time, you probably found that the quiz was very heavily based on the questions on the review. So if you do the review, you're probably going to do really, really well on this quiz. The last thing that I'll note is that the quiz is open until Friday, May 1st at 11:59 p.m. And yes, here is the proof that it's actually open. I apologize to those of you who got caught up in the little snafu of the due date fiasco. I'm sorry. I'm making it right this time. So you'll have from Thursday morning until Friday afternoon, Friday night, really, to get this done. So if you want to take the time and do the review, you have more than enough time. Please let me know if you have questions or you need help. Feel free to reach out. I'm happy to give you assistance, but otherwise, that's about it for the cardiovascular system, and next week we'll start the immune system. Very fun. So, I hope you're well, and we'll see you next time. Bye!